how to create a pharmacy delivery app. This video is about the pharmacy delivery app development process. Hello viewers, welcome to iTechnoLabs. Today, we're going to guide you through the process of creating your very own pharmacy delivery app. But first, let's understand what a pharmacy app is. A pharmacy app is a digital platform that allows users to order prescription medications and other health-related products conveniently from their smartphones. At iTechnoLabs, we specialize in crafting seamless digital healthcare solutions tailored to your needs. Our pharmacy delivery app comes equipped with user-friendly features designed to streamline the entire process. From browsing a comprehensive catalog of medications to uploading prescriptions securely, our app ensures a hassle-free experience for both users and pharmacists. With real-time delivery tracking and secure payment gateways, customers can rest assured knowing their health needs are in good hands. So why wait? Let iTechnoLabs bring your pharmacy delivery app vision to life. Contact iTechnoLabs, a leading pharmacy app development company today, and embark on a journey towards revolutionizing healthcare delivery. Thanks for watching.